On the evening of January 29, 2025, a catastrophic mid-air collision occurred over the Potomac River near Washington, D.C., involving American Airlines Flight 42 and a U.S. Army Black Hawk helicopter. Tragically, all 67 individuals aboard both aircraft perished, marking one of the deadliest aviation disasters in the United States since 2001. The collision, at approximately 9 p.m., Flight 5342, was on its final approach to Ronald Reagan Washington National Airport when it collided with the Black Hawk helicopter, which was conducting a routine training mission. Preliminary reports suggest an elevation issue with the helicopter, leading to the fatal encounter. Victims and community impact. Among the victims were young figure skaters and their coaches, returning from a development camp in Wichita, Kansas. The Washington, D.C. skating community was deeply affected, holding emotional gatherings to mourn the loss. Notable figures lost include Coach Inna Volyanskaya and civil rights attorney Kaya Duggins. Peter Livingston, his wife Donna, and their daughters Everly and Lydia were also among the deceased. Peter's friend Ali John received a text from him just 30 minutes before the family's departure, highlighting the suddenness of the tragedy. Peter was remembered for his dedication to his daughter's skating aspirations, even constructing an ice rink in their backyard. The military community mourned the loss of soldiers aboard the Black Hawk. Ryan O'Hara was one of 3 service members killed. His father, Gary O'Hara, expressed gratitude to first responders for recovering his son's body and praised Ryan's dedication to service, investigation, and recovery efforts. The National Transportation Safety Board, NTSB, launched an investigation into the collision. By February 3rd, significant parts of the aircraft, including the aft fuselage and engines, had been retrieved from the Potomac River. Efforts to recover all victims continued, with 55 bodies identified by that date. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers coordinated recovery operations, aiming to provide closure to the victims' families, controversies, and legal actions. In the aftermath, 2 airport workers, Mohamed Lamine Mbengwe and Jonathan Savoy, were arrested for allegedly leaking a video of the crash. Both faced charges related to unauthorized computer access.